Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Merchant Center feed using Channable, full guide step by step clearly. To start transferring your Google Merchant Center feed using Channable, begin by logging into your Channable account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the New Project button to create a new project. In the project setup, select Google Merchant Center as your feed type. Next, you will need to connect your Google Merchant Center account. To do this, click on Connect Google Merchant Center and authorize the connection. After authorization, you'll be prompted to select the correct account and store. Once you've selected your account, click on Next to proceed. Now, you'll set up your feed by choosing existing product data or uploading a new feed. If you're using existing product data, select it from your Channable projects. If uploading a new feed, follow the instructions to upload your product list in the required format. Next, customize your data by mapping the attributes from your feed to the Google Merchant Center specifications. Make sure all essential fields are filled, such as product title, description, price, and availability. You can also add custom attributes if needed for optimization. After mapping your fields, click on Save to keep your changes. Now, go to the feed section of your project. In this section, you can review your feed data for accuracy. Once everything looks good, move on to the Generate Feed step. Click on the Generate button to create your prepared feed. After the feed is generated, navigate to the Settings tab in your project. Here, set up a schedule for automatic updates if you want your feed to sync regularly. Select the frequency that works best for you, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've configured the settings, save your changes. Now it's time to submit your feed to Google Merchant Center. Go back to your feed overview and export your feed data. You will receive a feed URL which needs to be submitted in the Google Merchant Center. Log into your Google Merchant Center account and navigate to the Products section. Click on Feeds and then add feed to begin submitting your new feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.